Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name's Ian Tyson, avid home cook, and today with our Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix, we're making mushroom risotto balls. Here's what you'll need for today's recipe. Finely dice 1/4 of a large onion. Chop mushroom into small pieces. Pan fry mushrooms in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and set aside. Preheat chicken or vegetable stock. Add olive oil to your pan and cook onions until translucent. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add arborio rice to onions and stir them until they absorb the oil. 1/2 cup at a time, add the stock to your rice. Stir fully and constantly. Once all the stock has been added, stir in mushrooms, butter, Parmesan cheese, and chopped green onion. Remove from heat and allow to cool. Refrigerate your risotto overnight. Don't forget to preheat your oil. Prepare your Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix according to instructions. Once fully chilled, form the risotto into small balls and dredge in flour. Coat in batter and fry until golden brown. These are rich and decadent. Trust me, your guests aren't going to want to eat anything else. Tune in next time for more recipes with Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix. Until then, keep cooking.